I have your key to the best LED work light deals on a dime. You will not believe, that's not creepy, what I have coming right up. An entire studio illuminated simply by this. Alexa, turn the studio on.
Okay.
Great to be with you. I'm the Deal Guy, Matt Granite. I'm Swift. I'm ready to rock. And one of the things as we tackle a lot of the spring home improvement deals, and maybe perhaps a project you have where you need to illuminate a dark corner of your basement, you have a man cave, a she shed, a workshop, an LED work light complete with the aluminum enclosure where all you have to do is hang the light and mount it, and everything, no additional hardware is built into the strip itself, is an awesome deal, especially with the price that I'm about to show you. If you've never seen me before, I hunt down the biggest deals on YouTube. I love the subscribers of this channel. And if you expand the video description box right under me, you're gonna find a link to the best LED work light deal I think I've ever seen. And we are going to start using these in different areas of our home. I'll show you an area where I wanna get this set up, but more importantly, let me show you the price. The GT Light, which is the ultimate LED shop light with 3,200 lumens and almost 47 inches in length, has an aluminum construction with a white diffuser. So this is a high impact rugged LED. It's resistant to shock, heat, and cold weather resistant up to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. You get a 4000K cool white light. So this provides that strong illumination over a large work area, virtually no heat, so it's safe touch. It's a shop light that stays cool to the touch, and the LEDs are long lasting at 50,000 hours. There's no maintenance, no bulbs to replace. It saves you time and money as you use it. Another great thing about this light is you do not need to call an electrician. All you need is a power source. That gets this working, that gets this going. And for something like our furnace room where I'm still using some junky light on the side, I want to show you how this could have a big impact. So this is an example of a room where I would absolutely love to put the shop light into use. You can see right at the back down here, I have this portable LED fixture which I've plugged in. It's not great, not projecting a lot of light. And we have another light up here, which is also one of those portable LEDs. Watch what happens when I turn this on. The whole furnace area is illuminated. And then right after I get this mounted, which I think I'll probably do this weekend when I have a little bit more time, this will be easy. It's plugged into a power source. It projects so much light onto all of the spaces. This room looks as though it's a completely different room. And because this is a cold touch bulb, honestly, this could be on all day. No heat. It's perfect. I mean, you can just, oh, it feels good, feels good. Anyhow, I know that looked awkward, but who said I was awkward? All right. So you want to take advantage of this deal. I'm not sure how long it'll be around. A lot of the deals I showcase here sell out very quickly. When I find them, they're at their lowest recorded prices, and then all these other deal sites and vlogs repost them. So I want to make sure that if you do need this, you can grab it, expand that video description box, grab the link. Not sure how much longer this will be around, but I want to thank all the people who've been around for a long time. I love reading the comments and seeing the subscribers who are the long time subscribers. And we have so many new subscribers on the channel, which is also really exciting for me. So thank you for being a part of my life. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Oh yeah, if there's any other spring related deals, DIY, home improvement projects that you want to tackle, I love doing that. I know I do a lot of tech and lifestyle items, but all of this DIY stuff is very, very important to me as well. So let me know what you need, leave me a comment. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on that next deal before someone else posts it or before it gets sold out, so you get that notification in your inbox, very easy way to get subscribed. Just click on my head right here, that'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here, and that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.